Hello everyone, I am Dev Mahana and today I am going to discuss on the topic globalization. So what is globalization? Globalization can be defined as the increased interconnectedness and interdependence of peoples and countries. It is generally understood to include two interrelated elements: the opening of international borders to increasingly fast flow of goods, services, finance, peoples, and ideas, and the changes in institutions and policies at national and international level that facilitate or promote such flows. When did globalization begin? The history of globalization. For some people, these globalization phenomena is inherent to human nature. Because of this, some say globalization began about 60,000 years ago, at the beginning of human history. Throughout time, human societies exchanging trade have been growing since the old time. Different civilizations have developed commercial trade routes and experience cultural exchanges. And as well, the migratory phenomena has also been contributing to these populational changes, especially nowadays since traveling become quicker, more comfortable and more affordable. What caused globalization? Globalization is not a new phenomena. The world economy has become increasingly independent for a long time. However, in recent decades, the process of globalization has accelerated. This is due to variety of factors, but important one include improved trade, increased labor, capital mobility, and improved technology. Reduced tariff barriers, which encourage global trade. Often these has occurred through the support of WTO. Improved transport, making global trade easier. Growth of multinational companies with a global presence in many different economies. Improved mobility of capital. In the past few decades, there has been a general reduction in the capital barriers, making it easier for capital to flow between different economies. Increased mobility of labor. People are more willing to move between different countries in for work. Global trade remittances now play a large role in transfer from developed countries to developing countries. Improved technology, which makes it easier to. Impact of globalization. Globalization is very common in today's world. It enables people to travel around the world by improving the transportation, and it also helps the people to do business in the terms of purchase or sell products and services as well as pursuits of business leads. Moreover, globalization also allows the international communication by improving the technology, and it helps businessmen to communicate easier with their business partners from other countries. Globalization begin both positive and negative impact on international business. There are rise in competition and rise in investment levels, whereas negative impacts on international business are culture effect and also creates more social problems like child labor, slavery, as well as environmental issues. Quality of goods. This type of competition as an opportunity for domestic companies to manufacture good quality of products and services and work effectively and efficiently in order to conduct business on a globe scale. Secondly, globalization also affect the investment level in both host countries and home countries. Foreign direct investment, which is also known as FDI, refers to long-term investment owned by investors, which show the flow of capital between different countries. According to Graham and Spalding, the definition of FDI refers to physical investment that made by a firm to another country for building factory purpose. FDI of both host countries and home countries will increase by expanding business to other country through globalization. Thanks.